My ULTA Beauty order is here and I'm so excited. So this haul is a mix of must-have restocks for my skin type skincare kits and a few new goodies I've been wanting to try. And I gotta confess, I've already torn into this box. Like, I've been swatching like crazy over here. And yes, I've already decanted my toners. I mean, when it comes to new skincare, I have zero chill, like zero. Sorry, you can also hear my son in the back. Little life update. It's been about 3 years now since I've taken a step back from running my bridal business full time. Life got busy and it's still busy in the best, most beautiful way. Like, I'm homeschooling all 3 of my babies, working part-time, helping my husband build his business, juggling home renovations, and just trying to keep it all together without losing my mind. And honestly, I am beyond grateful. Like, right now I'm focused on saving up to go back to school for aesthetics. You know, I want to offer more than just makeup to my brides and beauties. I want to go deeper into skin prep and true care, because that's where it all starts, right? Now, I still do makeup for family, friends, and the occasional photo shoot when I can. Actually, I've got a wedding coming up soon, so I've been, you know, slowly refreshing my kit, making sure everything I reach for is intentional, which brings us back to this Ulta haul. So if you're a fellow makeup artist building out your skincare kit or a skincare junkie who lives for a good Ulta haul, this video is definitely for you. I'm also rocking a wig today because I didn't feel like doing my hair. Okay, before we dive in, if you're new here, first of all, welcome. I'm Cece, bridal makeup artist, skincare obsessed, and I absolutely love sharing my artistry process and kit tips with you guys. So real quick, I've touched on my skin type skincare kits in a previous video, and I'll link that up here if you want to go check it out. But in case you missed it, let me give you a quick rundown of how I like to build up my skincare kits for bridal makeup. Now, I always keep 3 core skin type kits stocked, so dry skin, oily skin, and sensitive skin. These are definitely the big 3 I run into most when I'm working with brides and their bridal parties. And because I'm mobile and work mostly on location, I like to rotate lighter options into my kits for spring and summer weddings, and then switch to richer, more nourishing options for fall and winter. Because when it comes to doing mobile bridal work, efficiency is everything. But I always make sure I've got enough variety in each kit so I can really customize my skin prep based on what I'm seeing in each client's skin that day. You know, because at the end of the day, good skin prep is everything when it comes to flawless, long-lasting bridal makeup. Okay, first up, this one's totally new to me. It's the Bioré UV Aqua Rich SPF 50. I've heard so many great things about this, especially for oily and combo skin types. So it's got that lightweight gel texture, super breathable, and it's a moisturizer and SPF in one. I'm all about those multitasking products, especially for the kit. You know, anything that saves time and space is a win in my book. And personally, I also treat SPF like a primer sometimes. It just gives that nice smoothing layer under makeup. It plays nice with the rest of your base. So I'll be testing this one on myself first. Next is an OG fave, Clinique Moisture Surge. So this is just one of those moisturizers that works across so many skin types, but I especially love it for my dry skin beauties. So it's got that gel texture, super lightweight, and it layers beautifully under foundation. So no peeling, no stickiness, no weird texture issues, just gorgeous smooth hydration that helps the makeup melt right into the skin. Next up, this is a repurchase for me. It's the Roche-Posay Eclair Matte Moisturizer. This is an absolute must-have for my oily skin bridal clients. It really helps with oil control, smooths out texture, and even minimize the look of pores a bit, which is so helpful when you're doing bridal or event makeup. Another fave, especially when I'm zoning skincare, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. So I love this one for combo skin, and I'll often use it right in the T-zone where I want that extra shine control. A quick heads up, this one does have a slight tightening effect as it dries, so I always use it sparingly, and I'll prep the client ahead of time so they know it's totally normal. Like, that little firming feel just means it's doing its thing. And lastly, one of my all-time favorites for sensitive skin beauties, the VANICREAM Daily Facial Moisturizer. Free of dyes, fragrance, no irritation, just solid, reliable hydration that I know and trust. And it plays so nicely under makeup. Like, no peeling, no weird textures, no surprises, just a beautiful balanced base. So next up is Avene Thermospring Water. This one is such a fave. I actually discovered it when I picked up their skin starter kit. You know, and honestly, I wasn't expecting much, but this and the moisturizer, instant win. Now it's a total staple for me, both in my personal routine and in my bridal kit. Like, it's one of those products that can do so much. I use it to calm down redness, prep the skin before moisturizer, set makeup for a soft finish, or just refresh skin midday when things start feeling tight, dry, or a little irritated. Okay, so you already know I'm obsessed with my Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Toner. I've used it, I've talked about it, I love it, and don't worry, she's not going anywhere. But I did want to branch out a little, will try some new toners and essence, both for my bridal kit and for personal use. Now, I've already gone ahead and decanted these, and I'm really excited to see how they perform. So first up is Anua Heartleaf 77 toner. Now, this one's supposed to be super soothing and calming for the skin. Be a great addition for my sensitive skin kit. Now, I'm especially thinking about those brides with rosacea and easily irritated skin, or even a post-travel dryness we sometimes see with destination weddings. You know, when the skin is just a little stressed and needs some extra TLC. So I'll definitely report back once I've tried it a bit more. Next up is Anua Rice 70 Glow Milky Toner. I mean, anything with glow in the name, it's gonna grab my attention. So this one is designed to brighten and hydrate. So I'm thinking it could be beautiful for my dry skin clients, or really anyone who wants that soft, luminous bridal glow. So another one I am super curious about is the Anua Peach 77 Niacin Essence Toner. So it contains niacinamide, which is amazing for refining pores, evening out skin tone, and helping to strengthen the skin barrier. So I'm really hoping this one works well for combo and oily skin prep. Sounds like it could be a great option for giving that smooth, balanced base without adding any extra heaviness. And lastly, this is one I've been wanting to try for a while. So it's the Ilia the Base Face Milk. So it's kind of like an essence meets moisturizer situation. Super lightweight, hydrating, and it's supposed to give that subtle, healthy glow to the skin. So I can't wait to play with this under, you know, different foundations to see how it performs. And that's it for this ULTA Beauty Skincare haul. I hope this gave you some ideas. I'll definitely keep you guys posted on how some of these new products perform, especially under makeup. I'm off to test some new skincare. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.